just said you feed the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. This week, almost ya can't hear there. Almost one year prepare. Chila go send a watch you back on a year. Na nanwada ya di game a share so no. Na man for me bring natural my dream place. No one more than bomb boy near dia. But we commence the Central African Republic. I Branton Dini Samuel boy in kum hon some bring and Kofokan ya. Na some ketwa kra. Almost oh nyade oh almost oh asani dia. Samuel Inkum former defender the Black Stars. So say Branton more the pressure to no so do. Monton Boma ne mabu amoka fa ne wonti na se enhye dan koye papa bia sa no momfa mpa bontan achi obob national team no play ai tito da bia mo kasa ansam na kum nipa sunsun ni ade a inkum asan kasa de afa Nyaki Williams go no e ma ne ho Nyaki fi so ba go no ho akwatwe o akwatwe pa yes ma metisim na yemfa Samuel Ebu inkum sam no ntum.
The kind of star that would play as a Ghana team, if you have a striker like we have Jan, we know Jan is good in the air. Jan is proper finisher, you know. And if the service are not going, do you expect Inaki to score? It's impossible. We have to give them a good service.
Joe, I don't know Samuel Ebu come to try as a ranter moment service. Monfa born into name no beshe. Etina born in Manas and San Fan Kwanoni and the idea was Yefi Black Stars. I want some PMO or the Ghanaian Premier League this weekend. Bibiansa San Paso. Watch now so for me Archie Neti. I didn't know any some get to a crowd, but injunction once and some ash good for injunction. I could saying still injunction of the league in this one answer Emfa. Yeah, boy, the idea. Ash good for the Adena Kotoso. A patcho, Kwaku from Pond, the Assembaba, on the ash good. Anymore. I don't know what must have no say injunction as I didn't come on Sentia Way League.
Niamuko Jiffy caught somebody in Jansen Air 2 League. Ayajuma.
Oh, sir, Ayajuma. Support the judge. Judge in a Vacasania. Oh, till I carry it to Morgana Premier League. It's all my ass one day. So, Modia Sebi, Omumadi and Tomotimia. Court and Mohona contempt is all. So, watch you, Mono. And see any area at home, your mama reminder. It is almost. Eya sobrache no we mu dia na mrana taking a course. Sebia omo che mrana dia some do maka se omo kwa do mkoko to kra na omo yiwa frem. Oh. Tino ani pese mrana nya omo dia Ghana mra. Okay. By and court of justice. Say e pese omo so omo yi free mo no. Omo yi free team no no. Enya mra. Aba ya to ye no. Tell na titie e dupe dubious ways. It's really justice.
Way in somewhere, Dr. Kwaku Frimpong, or they are told you, Yabedia, a bit when you ran at the Aquacosi, such a league in the Bastono. You want some bebro. Now, Yakupium, Matema Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Fuaka, Pacho, and run about Betuja, said the communication team, Yabetuja, one as season, Eberuano, one Becasa, Diama Kotoko, now, Papa Bakwani, Dibepimu, and the vice chairman of the Asante Kotoko supporters group, Nakwame Dankwa, Nanyo Nkwani Diba, Anthony Chumbarima, Samuel Akosa, Owusu Jr., Adu Frimpong, and a Seth Nida, Wemuni Dia, Ebetuja, Fedio, Kasadia Makotoko, season a day, any money, dear corner, the idea. Now, Kwame Dankwa, you're born in Dino, you're not drinking websites. Now, yes, it's the same when I'm over with Madia Makotoko. Nadia said also, and
the first idea and a management, but some of us we have accepted the challenge to take this responsibility. Nakotoko, some of us, the question supporters also, how say you be our customer Simono. Now, person 6 minutes. Maybe you said you I rely on and so for you on your own constructive partner or TSA and Ponyam Ponoaka. The Casans are not one of them for Casan for Metimono. Obviously, we are not going to be overcome once, but to us, we are serving the great team, we are serving Asantuma, and we are serving the club. I Akuma Presidency, we are contributing to the development of the team. So, be a bit here, no about in my capacity as a communicative team member. It is about Kotoko, not a single number now. Whatever I say will represent the management of the team, and it will represent the king as well. Now you do my dear set of a kind of apart from say yeah boy a match to who the activities of the club and same year I will say a new year back. The directions will come from.
Right, I know any and someone Nana Kwame Dankwa the 2 20 Kotoko catch up. Yeke Kotoko seven player by opportunity. You did Michael Jamina. One also can play for Kotoko for my banner. When Michael the same care to just say re. One any one yes I grown to be Kotoko red. The entire back Kotoko na one team now by so Baba Yen Hopa.
I would say it's the support base. Basically, if you have a club that has this mass support, you do everything to play for the club. So it's about the support. You have people rallying behind you. So why won't you play? Yes, you have to play, and it's the best you can get in the country. This is football, and this is what surrounds football. You can't get it all right at all times. You have to be criticized to get the best out of you. So with the support base, I think if things are not going well, they will criticize you on all fronts. But you as a player, you have to get it in your mind that they are criticizing you because of something. So basically, you are not doing the right things. You have to do the right thing so that the criticisms will go, and the criticisms will bring the best out of you. So you have to accept it. So I'm very much prepared for everything that comes.
Yo, Chairman Jamina, now don't say to just say we are prepared the pa. I never come and back and support base now. Now more a champua, one more my pressure, more mouth say Nina account and can be as a man sonti. We're ready, party at the idea. Ten some chairman de two. Now almost a year of was one of my young see no and Dr. K. Sapon, former executive chairman of the club across Ramo, you might do commercial on some Bojma and Tomonjo Monsa and Asiedu by Monteco to Conimia Dia at an India or the two Jana. Watch now, and I make 6 p.m. Watermale Sports Stadium, Ali Mama Stadium, no patrol. I have to folk. Woman out you at the airpony. Match on I have something which is that good from Pond, they bands caught in Jansen there. On him say, Yedmonti, Ligging in Maso, but how's the folk I call you Tamaleo? Oma Kodusha, Pariado, Ekasamas was your way ready crowded.
Yes, you are very much right. But for the past 2 seasons, your Bahano didn't mean the desired victory. And for a very long time, so here we have a match in Asiedu. But Tuesday, we have been in Tamale already. It shows the level of preparedness and also the level of concentration to make sure that the BIB we must put in the very best of our contribution to make sure that we are 2 years and run. We put it behind, we wipe it away, and continue to move forward positively because. And yeah, the end, I actually hanging in we just trust at the show. So we have also come here knowing very well that even the last time here back I cry actually share what and then the very last time also the other team Tamale City share 4, which is not good for us.
Okay. Kwame anope mamena
Kwame no pay bedase enti operate someone what they to dwa no has of oku for ka chere de aba no na yanku animu na yanko enche be sorry so Nations FC for so wide o na Bernard Padibotwe producer akopie mo Nations for ka che omo agran Dr. Kwame Cheba no team no Nations FC and can omo yadwuma kasi Mingel head coach mo Padibotwe ko mo camp
ye preseason there oh yeah you are winning all your matches it's not good you have to matches so that where you went wrong that match then you correct it so it's good we've won most of the matches and we lost one of
going into the season. How prepared is Nations FC?
We are well prepared. Well prepared. No, we started earlier and it's a new team we are building. It's a new team. Most of those who play and Division 1 are not in the team. Only few of them in. So it's a new team complete that we are building. So no, building a new team is not easy to build a new team. Well, it's work in progress. We will get there.
Obayano, Ocean Materials Sekuta Nations FC. Mubekim.
We're going to make an impact in the league. You want to get to the top. And you know we want to compete with those at the top.
First 4, first 5.
Those are the top. We want to compete with them.
And on Kasim Mingel, then come to Bernard Padibotwe, Chuchin Yabusia, sorry, so no place and so mammy Selegon citizens. I have something which is there, sir. William Meso, goalkeeper Oyari, first goalkeeper, second goalkeeper Yari. Asemo, eso no. Live on our Facebook page. All left no na tata ma ochin de ma team no no left no. Right near ne yare mu. Odi areho papa. William Meso asem na meken. Na yere ni.
But so on surely for on 2019 or rolling or kasaka or bre. That's it. And I try other source as I said spiritual work kan say kwa ne hu say no enye hospital ya re ne mu to say no dey
okay
na you trying kakasa family no try and so dey listen ya buano asori ni wen kakaka and I can say nyame adum sisi ade kakra but as the baby adum I quite a financial case now sisi ya yeah dey bet me I bet me dia say na be bet me like I come back to how it was
yo eso ne yerina wode ne nsama to dwasa no na start bia ba to dwa no ne obi di nkomo a wo kire nipa ne Legon City sifo de ne ka na obre ko mo fa ne sika kra ma no na won fa hwe ne ho yare sanso na 23 qualifiers no ka ho eno so one send message e kire mo se wo panifo to ka sika bia kamiti boy no obre eno se ne yere kasa sa fade na spiritual highly spiritual anti wo mo wure mu ahwe se ene ma betima koyedi ama no ti on Facebook page on da so ya ultimo se wasesa kra wo hwe nipa na all left no na hwe nipa na all right no yare ya Derek Ayete also share from Krakai and Master Planner Junior Kintampo so sharing from Kintampo live on our Facebook page so basically is need be from now yakwenim na payara hosam na so na e be jane de sia na sa but season e be say fans in the stadium corner is something which Edmonaka general manager the Master Matters or say ade ba kwa club street my abo no de oye ni
but me club baby me club managing ko yabo. So what I say, you know, we must all think together.
I'm special.
Say, maybe a tremor, and also a class was doing what I have matters at the summer boy. I never quite your woman say, yeah, I walk into football institution. Said it will be Salmon. It's a CB beside your home, South question. No equalization. Oh, who's on Park New Sentia? Share Uko a baby, you know, a Asiedu. In fact, you come be a boy. Your boss, some boy near about a baby any. They be near about Doma. Now a bob become near there. Say, maybe a train must not hire more. It is say a trans DBC say, didn't you know you say no? Your bob and conformer. But I don't know your equalization no dance a paper solution. Okay, a board so from the board to management, you get almost will be a community around some boy in any power. See a bob matcher. Now, yes, a match with Kotokobo. Said the young Crawford will be a Kotokoba has ba. Oh, no, be magic handed, magic way. Say other timber or intensities. You take this out decision, can say because Kotokoba, you will not need the supporters. We'll still go back to them and discuss how much we should charge at the gate.
Wow, you do all these things.
It will be Jamo Mobe 2 weeks. Then they will bring the feedback, say, yes, performance more person would 80, but if you say you 50, and boy, sir, okay. The get to Mumpena Fena, the communica babonti.
Wow, I don't know someone Red Monaca, General Manager, Samates, or told you. I'm just telling you, for the sorry, so you never transfer the sports page through the bro. Channel so for my page 1, MTN, my MTN apono, mo kan one opinion in some of bro, my MTN apono so de jaja mumunno, sani mumunno, ne disika, mumunno, wo sani mumuna winya points, mumunno, upon say for the F pack the BX tablets can one near the buy penny be quiet F pack. BX tablets right now want to announce on them. Nene Rubia here samba ba DBS in the social limit about botanis with DBS na make come forward the actual war, botanis so ye DBS. Me say Kala ni green and blue and I read 20 years in the BDS still the Tianity near and Ben Pai Mumbo Toko rough via DBS roofing Papa Field. Say the imagine nice in our concrete and still working now. Patrol DBS yet Mosania sorry I ain't here that I must say pa and I put your home message and I was say Ghana won't win the AFCON because of how we are treating our players. Frank Walton saw train from Mali. Hey, actually Brighter of Ususa and also train from Mayfair London. My name is Brighter of Ususa also train. Oh, what is this big set? And I will Sukra goalkeeper na yare no enso so ehwabtia anyumra yebetna senere sports page you dey about page 1 here dey wasi Papa Cambodia. Yes, our Cambodia car solutions. Yes, fantastic Cambodia CJ Judy papa CJ Judy go send adene na why you no Judy Cambodia car solutions or Medina estate ye chia no workers nyina Papa Cambodia ye chia mo na no pay muti Adom FM fe ni agrokra abusia immortal jakwa champion let's go Brandon writer Menora Fell James Oineba Makion me producers no kai say wodi nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi page 1 and see ko so ati adwa so nsem